My first trip on my new boat. We'll see if I catch any more fish. Not what I want in there. It'll take me a while to remember where everything goes. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Big swim bait. We'll go for a big one. First cast. Rather short cast, apparently. I decided to. I was marking all these fish, but they wouldn't bite. So when I was moving, I decided to troll a little bit, and I got something on. Probably a pike. It's yanking. So I hope I hooked in a good spot. I had a mile of line out. And he's going to be on the surface pretty quick. I thought it hit bottom. It was probably him pecking at it one time. There he is over there. Oh, well. Bigger than I thought. I got a meat rod, a super meat rod here. Yeah, he looks pretty good. It looks like he's hooked in the lips. My first fish. Got to get him in. Yeah, pike. Kind of figured that. The way he hit. I must have hit rocks. I got some moss on here. Decent pike. We'll count him. If he gets off, I don't care. Save me the trouble. I don't know, this new boat, whoa, this new boat, I don't know if I can reach him. I hate to at him too, because then he gets all tangled up. Get him over here, see what happens. I got him. Oh, that's pretty nice. Yeah. At least 30 inches. Hooked him in the right spot, too. I was looking for a deep running crankbait. I couldn't find one. Because they're all in my... I moved everything when I got this new boat. I got him in just the right spot here. I figured there had to be some fish. I was marking just tons of small stuff over there. Huh, what the heck? There we go. put him back. That's a nice fish. Nice first fish. 30 incher. Get him back in the water. Oh, no, no, you're not getting. Oh, come here. There he goes. Zoom. No worse for wear, that guy. Fish number 2 for the boat. What we got? Little walleye. I was marking a lot of fish right here. They wouldn't bite at first, but at least this one did. Does he eat it? There, I should keep him. I don't have my ruler, but I forgot my ruler. Little walleye. Number 4 coming in. Another big perch. The last one I caught was a big perch. Wow, that's a dandy there. I'm going to keep him, I think. Have some perch for supper. It might be what I'm marking here. That's a nice perch. We'll keep him. Try my live well out. I should have kept the last one, I suppose. Figure out where it is. Huh.